What is up, comic creators? I want to add some background music into my project here, and so I'm going to show you how to do this quickly. The first thing that you'll do is in the top left hand side you will see a small icon that says audio. You go ahead and click that. That'll open up the audio options within CapCut, and I want to add in some music, and so I want to click that little drop down menu that says music, and it'll give you all the different genres of music they have. There's a lot. I'm going to click through vlog just for mine because I think it has some softer tone music that I'm looking for, but there are a lot of options. And so there you'll see your list of music that you can choose from. When you click one, it'll start playing and you can sample that music. On the bottom of the menu there, you can kind of scroll through and see what different sections of the song looks like. If you need to see that, you can pause it. Once you have the one you want, you go ahead and click it, and you can either click the blue check plus sign there, or you can just drag it. That's normally what I do, and just drag it into my footage. You can place it wherever you need to place it in the project. I'm going to start right at the beginning, and then once you do that and you have that song highlighted, on the top right hand side of your screen you will have the option to adjust the level of volume, the fade in and the fade out right there. And so really what you're trying to do is adjust it to a point where if you have speaking lines over your video, it's not going to cause ear bleeding from your audio levels, and you'll be able to hear the vocals within your video. And so you can also hover your mouse over this blue box here that and hold down on the line there, this little tiny line, to move it up and down and adjust audio. But obviously it's easier to do that in the top right hand side. Now the other thing you want to do is at the end of your project, you can either do one of two things. You can drag your song to meet all the way to the back, or you can split the clip in this option right here. As long as you have it highlighted, you want to make sure you have your song highlighted. Once you split it, you can just delete the section that you cut off with the little delete icon. Make sure it's highlighted, and then you have your video or you have your audio perfectly fitting your video right then and there. Then you just add in some fade in and fade out. That's normally what I do. You can adjust the length of it if you need it to go a little bit longer, so it slowly fades out at the end of your project. And then the same thing with the beginning. You do that with the beginning right here. Or the other option is if you hover your mouse over your actual audio clip, you can see these little tiny dots that pop up, and you can drag those as well to adjust the audio. But that is a really fast, really quick tutorial on how to add background music into CapCut. It's really easy, and their options are extensive. It's really awesome. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, comic creators. End transmission.